Hi friends, welcome to Spice and Life Canada channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you. In today's video, we'll see how to make prawns or shrimp dry gravy masala. For this, I'm heating up a pan and adding 2 tablespoons of oil. And once the oil is heated, I'm adding 1 teaspoon mustard seeds and 2 dry red chillies. And now we add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds and 1 big onion finely chopped. And then I'm allowing all this to fry in the oil. Now I'm going to add a coarse paste of 1/2 inch ginger, 5 cloves of garlic and 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of this ground paste. And then let's fry all together in the oil. Next, I'm adding 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder. This Kashmiri chili powder is usually less spicier, but it gives a very vibrant color, and it's you can usually buy it in Indian grocery stores. And then now I'm frying all this together until the raw smell of the chili powder is gone. When the masalas are all fried, I'm going to add the peeled, deveined raw shrimp to the masala paste. I have bought these shrimps at Costco. Now I'm giving the prawns or the shrimp a good stir to mix it with the masalas, and I'm going to let it cook for a couple of minutes. I'm not going to add any water to the shrimps, but in a couple of minutes you can see that all the water from the shrimp has oozed out and the shrimp starts cooking in this water itself. Now I'm adding the curry leaves to the shrimp and letting it cook for some more time. At this stage, I'm adding salt as per taste, and now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds powder. This gives a very distinct and very flavorful aroma to the dish. I'm not going to add any other garam masala or anything to this dish. This is sufficiently enough for the shrimps. Now you can see that the shrimp is fully cooked because they have all formed into these round circles. If required, if you wish, we can stop cooking at this stage, but this would be of a more watery consistency. But I want a very dry gravy consistency, so I'm going to cook it for a further 5 minutes. And as you can see here, all the water is evaporating and the masalas are becoming dry and stuck to the prawns. At this stage, the shrimp dry masala gravy is done, and I'm switching off the stove, and then I'm adding a few drops of lemon juice to this dish and giving it a stir and finishing it off. Now the shrimp dry masala gravy is ready to be served, and this can be eaten with rotis, naans or rice. It also goes very well with Indian style fried rice, jeera rice, or with sambar, rasam, yogurt, etc. Hope you all enjoyed this recipe. If you do like our videos, please subscribe to Spice and Life Canada channel and like, share and comment on our channel. Thanks for watching.